Hey, what are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's pick some cards and see what we get today. Conquering fears. I confront my fears head on and discover the strength within me to overcome them. I am brave and resilient in the face of challenges, and I grow stronger with every fear I conquer. What are some of the fears that you've conquered over your lifetime? Is there a new fear you need to face today or tomorrow, this week? "43. You do not have to go it alone. Reach out for support in this time." What is this picture invoking in you right now? Inviting ecstasy. I am worthy of all the pleasure my heart desires. What is on your heart? I set appropriate boundaries and respect them. Life is a dream within a dream. Number 49, or 13, or 4. And the last card for today, before we go to our box of messages. Number 59, Wailing Tree, Reconciliations. Look at all that solar plexus colors. Alrighty. Let's see what's in here today. Just want to say thank you for being in my life. You're so special to me. Thank you. One of the worst things you can do is feel a burning desire in your heart and choose not to act on it. It was placed in your heart for a reason. There is no remedy for love but to love more. What do you think? You don't need to find your voice. You have a voice. You need to stop worrying about what other people think when you use it. Yes. To whom it may concern. Don't let the hard days win. And the last one. You can be mad without being mean. Absolutely. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.